This is a story of yesterday and tomorrow, of tradition and progress. In which direction do we want to look? Once upon a time, or what will be one day? What is so special about our story? Definitely what we do. What we create day after day. From where we are for the whole world. With accuracy, with attention to detail, for shape and color. With our eyes and our hands. Design everyone can see. Technology everyone can feel. In an incredible number of places, and always different. Just as each of us is different, having our own past and background, yet living for a common future. This is what connects us. With those who design our ideas and those who experience our design. With those who trust us in what we do and what we stand for, today and in the future. We know our origins. And yet, today we think of tomorrow. Of those who will follow. This is our story. It runs in both directions because the future needs a past. Progress as tradition.